How about now? Can you hear me now? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I know it's been a few weeks, I think. I've been a busy man, not gonna lie to you. Been buying couches and rugs and tongs and spatulas and stainless steel pots and pans and new clothes. Yeah, and I think I had a little buzz going when I unfollowed Tony on Twitter. What was that? Wednesday? Sunday? Either or. On a little double date on Wednesday night. But yeah, I'm pretty fucking clocked out of the markets right now. Like incredibly clocked out. And I'm enjoying my time away. I've been playing a lot of World of Warcraft. Kata just came out. So I'm kind of reminiscing in my past. It's what I did in high school and actually why I got good at Onchain. Kata was like the expansion that I was the number one gold farmer on a server of 750,000 people. Bought my first car with sold the gold to the little Chinese people over in China, and sound is low. And yeah, so I've been playing some WoW, getting ready to move. It's also been beautiful here, so I've been going outside a lot. I haven't taken any new trades. I've just been jeeting KOL bags pretty much. So like vested tokens, hence why a lot of your charts are probably down only because that's me just being a serial jeet on chain, but that's okay. Um, so fill me in. What have I missed? Have I missed anything exciting other than the tweet I put out 2 days ago, which is like celebrity meta, like multiple GCRs, all that shit? NCAT. Yeah, what's NCAT? All right, let me share my screen. Let's get pumping here. I think you showed me NCAT, right, Cal? NeuroCat. This thing? This went to 35 million, and now it's down to 3.5 million in a single day. This seems like the recipe for Solana. What's this wolf thing everyone is shilling, and why did I not get offered wolf KOL allocation? Man, everybody, all these teams used to hit me up for fucking to give me free tokens and pre-sales, and now nobody hits me up anymore because I went from being the nicest dude on chain. I'd like fucking pray before I'd sell a coin to now just being a Jeep because I will not be the last person holding the bag. Not this cycle. While everyone dumps on my face, I won't be the person in Telegram chat bitching about why people are selling. Those days are over. Hence why I probably don't get shit anymore. Wow, what a chart this is, huh? It's at 200 million, 250 million resist though. I think Woods was showing it here, right? Did anyone catch this? What's up, Wilson? B. Wilson. How you doing, dude? So, what do you want me to do today? You want me to catch you up on my life? You want me to talk about your life? You want me to give you life advice? You want me to chart tokens? I honestly don't really know what's going on in the space. So like, I don't really know what general on-chain conditions are. Oh yeah, what happened with the gold chart? Did it rug? Did it rug or something? Like this is fucking crazy. Like this doesn't look bad, but then you pull up the daily chart and it looks like it rugged. I mean, if you're gonna buy, it's probably gonna be at these range lows, right? Pretty much follow the plan. Then it lost this support, and as soon as it lost this support right here, had that quick wick, rejected it, and now down only. Was there FUD? No, I'm not in Soli. I got offered KOL deal for Soli, but I said no because I would have shilled it right here. And I'm tired of my followers being exit liquidity, as in I don't use them as exit liquidity. I just tend to tweet and people use me as exit liquidity. So, oh, Drew's in here. What up, Drew? So yes, I'm tired of everybody making money but me. I'm honestly like super fucking sick of the last 6 weeks in crypto. There's like pretty much a time when you know you're hot and you know that you should all in, and right now I don't think is that time. There was FUD, the other soccer team tokens like Judd yours and shit. Therefore, I think gold got fucked too. Oh yeah, it's kind of like how remember all those ETH utility coins, pretty much went to zero like 2 months ago. It was because one was some insider cabal coin that was tax farming and was like associated with other teams, and then every other ETH utility coin got smacked. So it's probably a little bit of the same recipe there. Which half those coins didn't even recover, right? Like ZKML, I think is just yeah, it just never recovered. $32,000 of volume. Like this shit's dead. Look, guys, you know me. I'm not up here to sell you a pipe dream. I'm here to be entirely honest about what's going on behind the scenes in the cryptocurrency space. Can I chart the SB slash Sol? Yes. Sol Bank? This thing? This shit looks dead too. Solana's like super fucking confusing. I don't have an edge on Solana. It's either like you buy a coin and it runs to 3 million and then zero in the course of like 2 hours, or you buy a coin, it rugs, or you buy a coin magically and it goes like 150, 200 million. I don't know what the, I know what the recipe to make ETH coins successful, uh, but I don't know any shit or dick about how Solana coins run to millions. I don't know if it's Cabal coins where they snipe like 86% of supply, kind of like Solly, and there's not a lot of overhang, and then you just get KOLs to push, and then the team distros sniped wallets. Yeah, I try to be real, which I don't know if is essentially good, but yeah, can I chart Cosmic? Yes. 106K volume. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like 3, 4, 5 streams ago, I was heavily flooding ETH utility coins, and I was telling you guys to not buy this shit and to be selling and to not be the last person bag holding all this garbage, because 99% of them are LARPs. They just use tax farms to make them less LARPy. But but yeah, I have been slowly scaling out of ETH utility coins. I don't like if you're gonna catch if they're gonna get you bid, right? Like you're gonna see one or a new narrative move really hard, and I don't think there's gonna be any rush to get into it. Like the ETH utility meta lasted 4 or 5 months last time. So I don't think you need to take the risk of buying all these things that are slowly bleeding for potential 2, 3x. I think I'd rather just wait for confirmation that the trend is back, because you're going to get a bunch of fresh deployments, right? And always new coins good, old coins bad. There's an exception for a few of them. So I'd rather just buy the new shit that's launching with like a new shiny narrative, instead of trying to catch or like do intensive amounts of DD, like check on community, check on distribution, see what the team's been up to. Do I not recommend jumping into Soli here? Let me chart it. All right. So I mean, if you're looking at the chart, right? So let's see if there's any order blocks on the 50. I don't think this dude. The shit went straight up. Hold on. Let's go to the 1 minute or 5. Okay. So look, you have the first order block that was created right here, right? This is the first swing low slash OB, and this is where technically it should be bouncing off of, right? Which is exactly where it's kind of holding. It's kind of holding here, right? I mean, if you're buying here, you're targeting here. You're targeting like probably a 2x for maybe a 50 or 75% profit take. And if it goes above there, you're probably targeting all-time highs. Oh, fuck, my Discord bugged. I can't read chat. Hold on. Can you hear me? Hello? Um, yeah, so do I recommend buying here? Um, it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look great. I don't really know enough about the coin to make like an educated guess. From a technical analysis standpoint, sure, it could be worth a punt. You have a wedge, you have the first order block that was created right here, it's holding here, right? Deviation, retest here, something like this, flip here, target here, flip here, target higher. But I don't know. I think I'd rather buy, I mean, this coin's what? This coin's only 11 days old. It's so, dude, on chain right now, it's so predatory. It's so PvP. It's pretty much you versus the cabal slash devs. Like it's definitely not easy right now. Conditions are bad. Meme coins are generally down bad. All coins are getting like Arbitrum's down like fucking 80% from the highs, and Bitcoin's down like literally 1% from March. it's pretty crazy. I think what's happening is that people are using Bitcoin inflows as kind of a gauge for whether or not the market is bullish. And instead of deploying into Bitcoin, there's like hyper gambling on altcoins, right? So there's essentially no real bid for these altcoins, just people holding vapor. Then when it moves, when Bitcoin goes down 2% and altcoins go down 10%, these people panic sold because they expected Bitcoin to break all-time highs, but instead they're worth, they're left holding these altcoins. So there's literally just no bid. It's just all of us trading it against each other. I mean, yeah, okay. My girlfriend has been buying like Fetch. She's down pretty bad. She's buying like $2. Friends are calling me saying they want to deploy, but are these friends like rich? No. But could you do an army of like 15,000 friends to pump a coin? Sure. So I don't really know. It's did I give up on Mask? Yeah, man, I gave up on Mask. I tweeted really hard. I was up like 12 ETH on Mask, and then I wound up losing 10 grand on Mask. So yeah, I'm pretty much like done just like aggro shilling coins on the timeline. I think I'm just gonna ship post in peace and move into my house and eat some ass and live my life because it's the summer and we've all grinded incredibly hard. Like, sure. Is there still opportunity in the market where if I was allocating 100% of my time, I could probably be making money? Yes. But at the same time, I did well enough over the last 4 or 5 months where I've cashed out enough in the bank. I have enough stables on the side where when the market does get hot again, I can just put 100% efforts there instead of just like aggro PvPing my friends and you guys. But some of you guys aren't in that situation. Maybe some of you are. It's just like what part of the market that you have your edge in. You'll figure out when it's hot and what is hot, and that's I think the time that you want to be putting in your efforts. I mean, right now you could be like airdrop farming, playing around protocols. Could be looking for like upcoming projects, stuff that's going to be launching. There's definitely ways to make money, like no doubt about it. Like Billy, for example. I don't know if you guys saw Billy. One of my alpha bots pinged Billy at 55K market cap, and it ran to what? It ran to 100 million. So like, yeah, but there's just too much information for me to filter right now. Thoughts on the CRV chart? I usually don't do sex coins, but I will do the sex coins because I have not streamed in a while. I do want to get back in the swing of things though. Like I want to start streaming again. I need to do my classes in July, depending on when I move in. CRV got exploited, right? Or there was something happened with CRV. I don't know, bro. This is just like old school DeFi. Like I don't think there's any reason in hell in this entire universe you should be allocating to 2020, 2021 DeFi. Like look at this shit, right? This was the this is your 2020 lows right here, right? Like CRV is now below 2020 low. I mean, the most obvious play, right, is you come here and you long and you maybe get like a 10% move. But I don't really see what's up, Tony. I don't really see a reason to buy this. I mean, if you're gonna buy DeFi, I'd buy stuff without emissions because all this shit has super, super heavy emissions. So buy stuff that like isn't has crazy unlocks or is like pumping out like ridiculous amounts of tokens via staking every single day because then your charts just look like this. Do I see Mia coming back? Yeah, I do. I've actually been talking to the team. They're going to do a community takeover. It's just waiting for Blast to launch its token. Then I think you're going to get 2 or 3 weeks of Blast. I think Mia probably goes to 20 million, and then you make a bag. What's up, NH? Let me look at the OXO chart. I'm down like a few $100,000 on Mia. That's a story for another time. Did OXO hit 15 cents? Oh, baby. It did. Hit 17.5. I told you it would go here, you little fuckers. I told you it would hit this box. I was just wrong right here, but I was right here. Dude, and then I said it hit 15, and look what it did. It hit 15, and now bounce. And now it should reclaim these range lows right here. I mean, I think ideally, it probably just does this. And then it holds here. It does some kind of rounded bottom, similar to what we had here, which was a very brutal, like 5 months here. It was also the same timeline, right? If you look at the timeline, this was July right here. This is all of July into the summer, and then it got a bid into October. So maybe something like this, right? Where if we take a little fractal action. Ba, 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 Bars pattern. We take this. We do this. We take this thing right here. And we imagine one of these again, right? And then October again, you get another pump, and then we get a parabolic move. That did I discuss goal? Yeah, goal looks like a buy here, but I don't know. It looks like some kind of FUD hit the chart. So I don't know enough about the fundamental analysis side of things. But yeah, I think that is probably the play for OXO. You accumulate above 15 to 17 cents. Can I chart GPU? I actually sold all my GPU. I cheated that shit. I sold on my GPU at mid-range around 1.2. So GPU is pretty obvious. All you have to do right here is just if this is deviation, right? Then you just buy the range reclaim right here. Then you target 1.2, so you can get like a 75% move. And if it flips mid-range right here, you target it here. So I think this could be deviation. I'm not sure. What's up, Tony? Happy Father's Day, Tony. Oh yeah, happy Father's Day to all the dads in here. Hope your wife took care of you. How's Hash AI look? I actually had the Hash AI founders bitching in my DMs for selling too much. You stop supporting, you're selling. I'm like, yeah, bro. The reason why I'm selling is because look at the chart. It's $87 million market cap with 140K of volume. You guys have raised or you've raised like $100 million in taxes. This could be deviation here again. Reclaim here, move higher, and you target here. Yeah, bro. I'm a certified Jeet now, and I'm gonna wear it proudly on my shoulders. Tony, if you were a Jeet, you may have not round trip C swap, but I'm just saying. That's all. I'm just saying. Yeah, this got absolutely murdered. My friend's working on getting them a T1 sex listing, maybe like Bybit, Binance, or something like that. Yeah, so you had three variations of deviation here, right? Then it reclaimed, right? Then it moved back to these old range highs, deviated back above here, right? Retested this. This technically should have held here, right? Deviation, deviation, deviation. These old range lows before expansion. This should have held right here, but instead, then you had the underthrow right here. Now it's just bleeding to zero. They just cut emissions though. I'm pretty much out of C swap. I had 5 million C swap at one point. I think I have 300,000, 400,000 C swap tokens left. So I just have like maybe 10 to 20K left in C swap. It's like 12K maybe. Yeah, I had a lot of C swap tokens. The bag was worth like 1.5 million at the top, but I sold way too much below the top. And obviously it's impossible to time the top. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about DEI. I know that they just extended vesting for team tokens. So there's definitely less overhang, even though I don't think the team was selling. They're running a Uniswap V3 they're running Uniswap V3 and they've already made like 10 to 12 million in V3 fees. So I don't think there's any reason for them to sell the token. Hence their decision to extend or do the voting process to extend team allocations on a longer vesting schedule. But I don't think I would. I mean, if you want to take a risk, right? Sure, but I don't think I would bid this comfortably until like 50 cents. I get, just for disclosure, I wrote a $6,000 check to them, and I get 3,000 tokens a day for the next 235 days. So I get 600 bucks a day for the next 235 days. Hence why I think that this price action is happening. It's just KOLs were too scared to cheat within this general range right here, but now it's just bleeding. This literally just looks like, if you look at the AIT chart, right? This is pretty much, so look at this price action right here. Hold on, let me put this up. Look at this price action right here. And if you look at AIT, there's essentially on the same KOL vesting schedule. Fuck, my fucking Discord keeps crashing. Then yeah, look, this is this kind of price action right here, right? AIT, they extended the vesting by, it was, instead of 4 months, it was 8 months, but it's still like, I think I still get 700 tokens a day or something, maybe more, for the next what, like fucking 300 days or something. Yeah, so I think the way to play like these KOL type like C deals is if you look at like, so if they disclose in the documents, So if they disclose in the documents that, like, let's say KOLs get like 10% TGE, right? But it's like a 10 to 15 mil val coin. Um, KOLs aren't going to be that much on their initial, right? Let's say it launches at 20 million val and they get 10% TGE. They need a 10x to break even on their initial amount, right? So they're going to need a $200 million market cap to break even. So there's not going to be that much overhang, right? Let's say I have a cliff. So I think the way to play these KOL deals, if you happen to buy their launches, is that you pretty much ape it launch and you don't bag hold, right? Because they people will continue to post like as their unlocks happen. So what happens is, I think I've explained this before, right? So teams threaten to cut your allocation. So as unlocks start happening, KOLs have a tendency to start tweeting more, even though the price is down only because they want to keep their allocation. So I think the way to play this stuff is you just buy launch, try to snipe launch or get in relatively early. You make sure you read token economics first because you should have access to those if the docs are available, and if they're not, you probably shouldn't buy that because that's some shady motherfucking shit. And then you don't bag hold this stuff, right? Like AIT is a pretty much a great example. It's like, right, you buy launch, you sell the thing. Like, what's another one? Like DEI, for example, right? Here's another good one, right? You buy the up only at launch, right? You sell the first major impulse, and then it probably pulls back. What's another KOL coin? Um SAVM, right? So if we go on like the 15-minute chart for SAVM, bro, you round tripped AIT, man. How we were talking about that like fucking 7 cents. Yeah, look at right. It's like first major move, right? First impulse, down only. What's another KOL coin? Um, Trestle. Okay, here's another KOL coin, right? Oh, that was an LBP. That's not a good example. Ords. Okay, Ords is another perfect example, right? This looks exactly like AIT, right? Consolidation, first impulse, sell the first impulse. So I think that's kind of what you do. Hash was KOL, yeah. I did a hash KOL deal. I didn't get much, but it was worth a lot of money at the top. Dude, Ordi Bank, so fucking funny, man. So I did Ordi Bank too, and they didn't sell me, like I didn't sell any tokens. I tweeted multiple times, and then they didn't sell me the second tranche of tokens, or they didn't send me the second tranche of tokens they owe me. I'm like, yo guys, can you like send me the tokens? I supported. I didn't sell. They sent me the tokens, and then I sold all of them, and now they just keep sending me tokens, and I don't know why. Yeah, Ordi Bank was a fucking shit show. I think it was hella LARP. That's why. Oh, what's the ticker? ORBK, right? Yeah. So this was like LB. Look, this right here is LBPs capitulating, right? And then right here is okay, potential chance for recovery. Then right here is saying, okay, this is total vaporware. Then this right here is like, okay, KOLs are just gonna sell. It's exactly what this chart screams. Yeah, I was excited for it too, man. But like, look at like if you look at Trestle, right? This is another LBP chart. Like I'm so happy we're fucking over the LBP phase, man. That was the worst. That was like the worst 3 months ever. It was great if you were in the private round, but if you were buying LBPs, you literally just lost all your money, give or take a few exceptions. Yeah, I don't know why we shilled ORBK so hard. Well, it's also when the Bitcoin eco is popping. Like for example, BFI, right? BFI is another good example of something that was incredibly hyped. It had the chance to be good, but BFI. Did Sparks ever sell his? Who's the fucker that was shilling chart AI? Look at BFI, man. Shit's still an 8.8 million. Yeah, Sparks. What was it? What was the chart AI chart ticker? Chart AI CT or CX? I hope he sold this, man. I really hope he sold this. Yeah, I think they relaunched, right? There was an exploit. They relaunched. First impulse, boom, boom, boom. Down to zero. Oh, the shit looks like, you know what this shit looks like? Looks like a falling house. Remember when I played Pictionary? That was a great time. Relaunch has ever been successful? Yeah, look at Unibot. Unibot was a great relaunch. I mean, not anymore. Unibot's dead as shit. This was the exploit. This was literally the Unibot relaunch right here. I think Moneyman even cheated, right? Who's Moneyman? Let me check out Pal. Yeah, I think I have some old TA left up on Pal. Wait, this can't be it, can it? No. Okay. Got it. Interesting. I mean, it should hold here. Like Pal needs to hold here. I think Eli was saying it could go back to 10 cents. If it doesn't hold here, it's going back to 10 cents, 100%. If it doesn't hold 10 cents, it's going back to 5 cents. So it needs to hold here, or you bid here. You sell here, flip here, sell higher. Loses here, you capitulate, buy 5 cents. What's the deal with MoonThat? Oh, I don't really want to talk about like a product I'm launching, but essentially MoonThat is it's a meta drop company, but we hired a bunch of new devs. We let go a lot of our team, and we're building a novel project on Solana. It's a combination of like Pump Top Fun, meta drop, and SocialFi. There's gonna be heavy rev share for people as well. Um, and yeah, it'll be ready the second week of July. It's actually really fucking cool. There's no seed round or anything. There will be no seed round. Maybe there will, I don't know. Um but yeah. So that should launch the second week of July. I'm just hoping conditions get a little bit better. But it's cool. I wish I could tell you more, but I'll get fired and I got bills to pay, boys. Let me check out Karat. I think dude, my Karat chart from last stream was so good. I chart it right here. I said, hold here, come up here, hit this. This is exactly what it did. Hit this X, ran listing highs. Look, this is exactly what happened with these coins. Wait, you found my Insta AC? Did you really? Yeah, add me right now. Let's see if you're right. I mean, it's not super hard to find. You just have to put two and two together, but we're not going to go down that road, okay? All right, follow me right now. I'll see if you're right. Then you can tell everybody how sexy I am from my profile picture. Oh my god, he did find it. No fucking way. All right, AC, I'll let you follow me as long as you don't share this information with anybody else, all right? All right, I'll let you follow me. I'll follow you back. Damn, this dude did find me. I mean, it is obvious. I don't really. I mean, I'm like not doxxed, but I honestly like don't really care anymore. I like you guys. I don't think you're gonna show up my house and like try to rape me or anything. All right, let me check out Zig. Didn't we meet the Zig team in Dubai? This thing? Come on now. I think Zig's on a sex, right? All right, AC, I accepted your follow request. Zig Mark, yeah, they were the marketing people were there. It's literally been chopping for what, like 3 months now? I think I charted this last time. Um, hmm. I think I would buy here. I'd buy 4 cents. Sorry if the Zig marketing team is listening to this, but I think I would buy 4 cents. Yeah, I mean it's actually it's down like what 6% from the top, which isn't terrible relative to like most altcoins. Actually, 39% is not bad. Then you look at the arb chart, right? I'm still holding my Arbitrum airdrop like such an asshole. Look at the arb chart. Look at this from the top. This is down 70% from the top. It actually made fresh all-time lows. Isn't that crazy? What does somebody want me to say? Even multi-coin fund holds it. ACX, is that a on-chain coin? Across across protocol token. This thing? This isn't a bad chart. Not too shabby. Yeah, I need to eat lunch. I'm gonna make Easy Mac. All right, hold on. Bear with me. I'm gonna go throw an Easy Mac. I can still talk to you guys. So I'll be in my kitchen. Should make Easy Mac or udon noodles from Costco. All right, now we're making Easy Mac. All right, 2 seconds. Just gotta pop this bitch in the microwave. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. At 30 seconds, cool. All right, I'm back. All right, we're back. Oh yeah, dude, Tony, my diet's so disgusting, but yet I'm incredibly skinny. I don't really get it. W tau. I gotta get back in the gym like Drew. Drew's fucking yoked out of his mind. Hey, Drew to come to my house and slap me into shape. And Tau's honestly disappointing. They need to fix emissions. I found out that I know like 3 people who have friends that are like farming like millions of dollars a day in Tau. It's like absolutely crazy. So you would expect it now. I do want to put like another 50K to 100K in Tau. I just don't like I wanted to do it here, which I'm happy I did not. I want to do it here, right? I thought it'd hold here, but I think I'm gonna do it in the 230s. Get this swing low right here. I think you see something like this. Do I think it catches a bid again? Yeah. But I think I'll deploy a 230s. Because if it doesn't hold this, it's going to like 100, and then I'm gonna be down magnitudes of money. Whiff. Let me check out the whiff chart. Hamster whiff hat. Whiff. Dog whiff hat. The fuck? Where is this thing? Dog whiff hat. Dog whiff hat. Oh boy. Hold on. Dog whiff. Okay, that's not the chart. Where it? Oh, okay, radium. Here we go. Whiff bottom. Um. Okay, if I was gonna guess the whiff bottom, I think you would. I think it would be something like this. Reclaim here. You buy the reclaim. You buy the deviation. Probably safer to buy the reclaim. Then you target here. For like a what? 100% move. Yeah, meme coins are just. I think Mog might be the one that's down the least. Even Elon said get mogged. That's nasty though. This is fucking nasty. Look at this deviation up here. Look at that. That's nasty. I'd probably buy Mog down here again. If it retraces whole move, that's pretty fucking crazy. It's a 300% move from those lows. That deviation though is ugly. So just assume range bottom now, right? Right? So like you have range highs, range lows, right? Deviated above range highs, now you expect to go to range lows again. After deviating, look, it literally deviated below range lows, deviated below range highs. Now it should do something like this. It should hold there. Kai. Oh, I actually got the Kai Ken, this thing, they DM me this morning. Let's see, hold on. See if they responded. Oh, no one saw anything. Yes, they did DM me. They want me to be there. They want me to be their knight in shining armor. They want me to be their KOL. It's this thing, right? What is this? Oh, my Easy Mac is ready. Hold on. I Yeah, I want Tal like 220, 230. That's why I sold a lot of stuff so I could put a good amount of money on the side specifically for Tau. I gotta get my Easy Mac. Like I've just been staking Tau. I have not touched it. I haven't even considered selling it. It's a bull market kind of hold for me. So I'm just gonna hold it. What sucks is all my friends that were super bullish on it, they sold after finding out about all the emission stuff, which is pretty fucking lame. But there's people that are still holding it. You're my macaroni and cheese. What's up, Caddy? I'll mix this thing around. I don't think I put enough water in. The cheese powder is not dissolving. Oh yeah. All right, let that cool down. Yeah, there used to be at least 100 on average. Also, I didn't make an announcement. People, I haven't done it in a few weeks, so I can expect people to just not show up, which is fine. I'm not butthurt. I got my core homies in here. That's all that matters. Got the crew. Time's at 1:38. Gonna play some World of Warcraft after this. I got ready for a birthday party there. Oh, Drew, by the way, I'd like to formally invite you to my housewarming party. That will be the second week of August. I'm inviting you, Keto, Giancarlo, um, John Woods, and Zach. Everyone's been telling me to play. Everyone's been telling me to play Elden Ring. I don't know though. Does it look good? Hold on, let me Google it really quick. Elden Ring new video game. Is it an MMORPG? This thing? What's the concept? I mean, I've been playing World of Warcraft for like how old am I? 28. I started when I was in the 7th grade. So I think I was like 12 there. So like how long have I been playing WoW for? Like 16 years now. Should I get a WoW stream going? You guys want to watch me do a beat battleground? Did anyone actually watch that? Is there an auction house in Elder Ring? Like can I play the auction house? Because that's what I like to do. No? Watch stupid. I'm gonna watch a video on it. This is I'll turn watch your ears, guys. Watch your ears, hold on.
Peggy 16.
Is there anything besides meme coins to buy right now? No. Maybe farm airdrops. But airdrops after layer 0 are pretty much dead.
There is nothing more terrifying.
Yeah. Do you guys get the ZK airdrop? I think I got like 12,000 tokens or something. Are these the actual graphics? Looks good.
In that forsaken place, blood must spill.
Can you play with your friends or is it like solo player?
The earth faithful.
They were never saints. They just happened to be on the losing side of a war.
That easy max was phenomenal. Alright, I'm over it. I've only ever played WoW, so I don't think I would max 2 frenzy. I'd rather play WoW. You guys ever play World of Warcraft before? Dude, WoW is the best. WoW is the best video game ever created. When will on-chain return? I, honest, I honestly don't know, dude. Like straight up, have no idea. Hence why I'm playing video games right now. Because when it comes back, you'll have plenty of time to position yourself to get ready. My highest conviction play is Tau. That's it though. Mine's not OXL, even though I've been holding on chain. Dude, I don't really have any high conviction plays on chain. Like everything that I had conviction in was for like 2 to 3 months, and now I just rotate out of stuff. Just I don't know, man. I don't know anymore. This market's very confusing. Like I don't think these ETH on-chain utility plays are going to be around in a year and a half. Like I would make a sizable bet on it. My highest give it like the only coins that I'm holding, like actually holding, seriously, are Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and Tau. Other than that, it's just like short-term plays. Like I have enough size in Tau where if Tau goes 10x, that I probably won't ever have to do crypto again. I'm not fighting your bags, bro. I'm just telling you how it is. Should I get a little WoW stream going? We'll switch over to WoW for a second. God, my Discord is so broken. Reinstall this shit. You see my screen? This game is awesome. You guys like my name? I'm a feral dude, creamy kitty. So why do we on the list? So why are we holding? I'm not. I'm only holding Hash AI, but I've scaled out significantly from it. But yeah, I've scaled out significantly. I still have a bag of hash. I have a pretty big bag, but yeah, but I charted hash before. I'm just having fun, just a catch up stream. Yeah, I'll chart desync. Let me go back. Let me swatch screens. Hold on. Window. Let me chart desync. God, that Easy Mac was phenomenal. All right, so desync, right? So you have these range lows right here, which correlated with the consolidation zone before the expansion all-time high, right? So all these coins, like, okay, so you pull up hash, you pull up GPU, you pull up this. All these coins look like deviation, right? You have range lows, range lows, range lows, right? Potential deviation here, flip, right? Same thing with GPU, like potential deviation here. Same thing with hash AI, potential deviation here. You're just hoping that it's deviation. Do I have insight on CapEx AI? No. App. Okay, I need more. That he's enacted absolutely nothing. What's the ticker for it? CapEx AI. Am I spelling it right? Send me the contract. Yeah, Karat. I literally Karat. We played this perfectly from the last stream. It was hold here, hold these listing range lows. You run all time highs. So think about these coins, right? not Karat specifically, but all these coins that have these specific charts, right? It's you have your listing high, you have your listing low, and your listing high. This majority of the time, these listing highs get ran, and that's the top. Then it goes down only, right? Now it's back to here. So you want it to hold here, then you target listing highs again, right? All this is deviation right here, right? Deviation, reclaim here, right? Then you target listing highs, right? Deviation above listing highs, then you target back to range lows. So it needs to hold here. But no, I have not heard of to CapEx AI. I'll look it up on Twitter. See mutual. Only 5 mutuals, which is relatively rare. Largest owned AI infrastructure. Pretty okay engagement. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna bookmark this and keep a note of it. It's not Karat. Isn't that how you sell it? Dude, it's fucking Karat. It's not carrot. It can't be carrot. Carrot is CAROT. Hold on. Can you pronounce something? Pronounce Karat. I'm gonna prove all you guys wrong. Oh, carrot. Yeah, but that's how you. Hold on. Okay, hold on.
Carrot.
Oh, I'm wrong. I'm definitely wrong. I'm not very articulate, all right? Where's like the Google pronounce thing? Yeah, I'm definitely not right. Oh, well, carrot, diamond carrots, right? Diamond. Oh, carrot spelled. Okay, maybe that's why. Oh yeah, their NFTs are like little bunnies, aren't they? Okay, this makes a lot more sense now. Yes, okay. I understand. Aren't they little bunnies? Hold on. What are they called? My pet. It's my pet hooligan, right? Can't remember the last time I opened my pet. Yeah, they're bunnies. Okay. All right, so it's carrots. Yeah, this makes a lot more sense. Are these gonna be a buy at some point? Like, did they move up with? Handle it. Oh wow, it looks like the coin launch nuked these. I mean, that's pretty typical though. They usually go hand in hand. What do I think of Ator? God, my computer is not. I really need a new computer. Maybe I move in my house because it's a write-off. I think because I just opened it. Let's see. Oh no, my girlfriend just texted me. I want to talk to you about something. I think I'm gonna kill myself. What do I think of Ator? She's definitely not pregnant. I think I vape too much. I might be infertile. I guess we'll find out soon. I've been raw dogging it for like 8 years, and she's never had a pregnancy scare. So I think I might be infertile, or it's a her issue. Yeah, I'm not gonna get into my medical stuff, but I don't know. I've had to go to the doctor for a while. I just have not gone to the doctor. Isn't she hot, A Crypt? She's a very beautiful lady. 99 pounds of Italian Irish Fury, and she's a triplet too, which is pretty cool. Ator. Yeah, Crypt. I was number one seed for golfer in high school. I've won if you Google my name, and then you put golf after, I won tournaments. I placed first in a PGA Tour event for my age group. I was like shooting like 300 to 600 par consistently. Chart A tour. I would probably buy A tour here. You have the swing low that created this parabolic move, and you have these previous highs right here. That were the highs after this FUD dip. So I think you buy A tour here, and you target these highs right here. So you get like a, what, 100% move off this. Yeah, that's where you buy A tour. All right, boys, I'm calling it. I need to get lunch. I have to go to some stupid bitch's birthday party tonight. She's making it all about her. It's her birthday week. Gotta buy her a gift. Sounds miserable. It's been a great stream. I will run a stream next Friday too. What's the date? Next Friday, 28th. Yeah, I'll stream next Friday too. Yeah, I know. Girls always do the birthday week shit. I don't know why they do that. It's like one day. You're also like turning 27 years old. It's the most irrelevant time of your life. Like, sure, maybe if you're 30 because you're like getting old, like 27, like relax, please. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Enjoy the weather. Don't forget to tell your mom you love her. Adios.